Most important case laws for TOTS exam for law students.
MC Mehta versus Union of India 1987 absolute liability, Rayland versus Fletcher's 1868 strict liability, Ushaben versus Bhagyalakshmi Chitra Mandir, prescription, Sturgis versus Bridgman 1879, Kendra versus State of UP 1985 nuisance, Entich versus Carrington 1765, Crick versus Gregory 1876, Stanley versus Powell, Rudal Shah versus State of Bihar, Bhim Singh versus Jammu and Kashmir, Donaghy versus Stevenson, Bonhill versus Young, Pfalzgraf versus Long Island Railroad Company, Res Ispa Liquitor, Bryan versus Bodal, Nicholas versus Marshland, Kallulal versus Namichand, Sridhar Tiwari versus State of UP, Stanley versus Powell, nitroglycerin case, Ryan versus Young, heart attack case, R versus William, 1923, Basley versus Clarkson, mistake, Cockcroft versus Smith, 1706, KD Bazari versus State of Maharashtra, 1977, private defense, Carter versus Thomas, 1891, necessity, Tite versus Gladstone, necessity, Bhopal gas tragedy case, 1984, also called as Union Carbide Corporation versus Union of India, Oleum gas leak case, also called as MC Mehta versus Union of India, Pushpabhai Purushottam Uddeshi and Ors versus Ranjit Ginning and Pressing, Lloyd versus Gray Smith and Company, Hamley versus Houston and Co., Gregory versus Piper case, Morgan versus Incorporated Central Council, independent contractor case, carelessness of the servant, Century Insurance Company Limited versus Northern Ireland Road, Baisley versus Manchester and Lincolnshire Railway Company case, Limpus versus London General Omnibus, Morris versus G.W. Martin and Sons Limited, theft by the servant, doctrine of common employment, Priestley versus Powler, Vidyavati versus Lokumal, state liability for its servants, vicarious liability of the state, Kasturi Lal versus State of UP, gold and police case, Shyam Sundar versus State of Rajasthan, famine relief case, State of Orissa versus Padma Lochan, mob versus police case, State of MP versus Chironji Lal, loudspeaker case, Bryan versus Bodal, the barrel fells from the warehouse case, Delilu versus White and Sons, Bonhill versus Young, Hambrook versus Took Bros. These cases are related to nervous shock. These are the most important case laws for the law of torts.
Like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos.